It's me, and I'm just waiting for a code because I said on the side I got enough coin or cash to get the Titan microwave made. It's going on, lucky guys. I'm so excited. Like, apparently it's really good. Wait. Oh, there it is. Oh, man. Oh, it looks so cool. Okay. Oh my god. It's really strong. I'm gonna test it out. Sandbox mode, guys. Pretty cool. Let's go and try it out. Damn, microwave man. Too pretty. Oh, it's pretty big. Oh, you can smash to it. Oh, I'm gonna spoon in the mask to it, but you know what I'm saying. I should probably spoon that because it's not too strong. Oh, there it is. Okay, come on. Just let me show what is a breast. Oh, that's pretty good. Wait, what is that for? Oh my god, that's really good. It's crazy. The kicks and the kick does 200. It's not bad. The punch, it's okay. It does the same work around, same levels. Oh, the fire is really good. Oh, okay. I'll do the dogs. I'll give it a bit of a kick. Oh, okay. Nice. I just want to test it now. It's not a real book. It's awesome. It was really hard. So it's one of those things. Let's do it again. Oh, wow. That was really good. Sorry, instruction was back from time cameras, but it was different. Oh, let's cover this one. Oh, yeah, just do it. Oh, crap, I mean, screw it. Plantoids. Oh, put in the right hand. Well, let's have a fitness. Oh, blast. That's so cool. Oh,